Claire, now I'm going to explain to you the example 28. Hitsuyo joken to jubun joken. Hitsuyo means necessary. Jubun means sufficient. A wa jisu to suru. A is real number. Tsugi no shikaku ni hitsuyo, jubun, hitsuyo, jubun no uchi motomo. Please write down necessary, sufficient, or necessary and sufficient. Okay, please write down the word inside the box. So for number 1, a square equal 4 is a equal to de aru tame no blah 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 joken de aru. Okay, a square is equal 4 is a equal to, this is the P, this is the Q. Okay, so let's see the kaito. So if a square is 4, we can tell that a is 2 and also minus 2, not only 2 only. So this is wrong because it's not only 2 but also minus 2. Okay, gi. But if a is 2, okay, the a square will be 4. There is no other answer. So this is correct. Shin. Based on this statement, because a equal to, if a is 2, then a square is 4 is correct. Okay, while this one is not correct. So a square equal 4 is a equal to de aru tame no hitsuyo joken. We can say that this is the necessary condition. If a square equal 4 is P is Q. Okay, so this is necessary. Okay, so for you to understand like this, so a is equal to, if a is equal to, it means the a square is 4. This is hitsuyo joken. This is the necessary to make it correct, to make it into shin. Okay, this one is the hitsuyo joken. Okay, so a square equal 4 wa a2 de aru tame no hitsuyo joken de aru. Necessary condition. Okay, now let's see number 2 so you can have a better understanding. A is bigger than 3. If a is bigger than 3, it means a also bigger than 1. This is correct, right? This is correct. Take a look at this. A equal 3. A is bigger than 3 if a bigger than 3. A bigger than 3, for example 4. 4 bigger than 3. It means a also bigger than 1, which is correct. Now let's check again. A bigger than 1 doesn't necessarily means that a is bigger than 3. For example, so this is key. For example, if a is 2, 2 is bigger than 1, correct. But doesn't necessarily means that 2 is bigger than 3, so it is wrong. Okay? Because this is this part is wrong. Okay? So a bigger than 3 is P is Q. The a bigger than 1 de aru tame no jubun joken. So if this is the first statement is correct, then we can tell this is Jubun. Okay, but if the second one is correct, the shin one is over here, then we can call it Hitsuyo. Okay, so if the first, like this one is the wrong one, Gi, right? So we can tell the statement is Hitsuyo Joken. For this one, this is Shin. Because this is Shin, make it simple, okay? This is Jubun. Now, number 3, okay? A minus 3 square equals 0. What? A equals 3. Correct? If A square, A minus 3 square equals 0, A over here is equal, the 3 is moving here, but the minus become plus. So this is correct. Okay? And then let's try to reverse again. Okay? Shin. Then we try to reverse the condition. A equal 3 is the same when A minus 3 square equal 0. This one also correct. So if it is Shin, it means Hitsuyo Joken. Okay, let me repeat once again. If this is Shin, the first one is wrong, then you reverse the position, and then it turns out to be correct. It means we have to mention that it is Hitsuyo Joken. But if the first one is correct, then we try to reverse the position, okay, and then it turns out to be wrong. It means we have to tell it is Jubun. Okay, if the first one is correct, and then we try to reverse, also correct, both correct, means we have to say it is Hitsuyo Jubun. Okay, very simple, right?